Your condition is very bad. You need to take rest. I will not give you any medicine.
Why?
Don't ask.
What?
Today, why Varzun suddenly called me to his house? What could happen? Varzun, I have come.
Come. You know that you are a poor man, or I'm a rich man. What?
Hey. Talk about work, if you have to talk.
Okay, old and poor man. You know that. How beautiful I am. A few days ago I made a video of Rocky sneezing, and I uploaded this video on YouTube. I wrote that I was catching corona peoples. Then Media Valve contacted me. Media called me yesterday for interview.
What? Can I go with you?
Hey old man, what is your value? Don't even think. I doubt corona.
A very brilliant man, who proved that how much he loved the peoples. Let's see. He come to the talk show today.
Hello, Varzun. How are you doing? I'm doing good. That's great. You're catching corona people. What benefit is that to you? 100% benefit me. If people are happy, then I am happy. Simple. I can't see people suffering.
Big lie.
Wow, what a good man you are. Thank you. What? Nothing. Ambulance and police. Hurry, come.
Hey boy. You are free.
What?
Congrats. You are fine now.
What? Thank God. Hey, get ready for injection.